river. It's quite refreshing. Welcome to paradise. I asked her out on the first day we met to be my girlfriend, and she's just like, yep.
It's a funny story because I said that two introverts agreed to be boyfriend and girlfriends on IG.
What were you feeling when you first saw me, like, in person?
I was nervous a bit. I was talking to you like almost 3 or 4 months. Even we talking on the video chat, I just feel like meeting in the person is still like, different.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then when I first met you, I'm so happy, but I feel a little bit nervous. We clicked and everything just...
Yeah, but it definitely took us about like, you could say like 30 minutes to like adjust to each other, I think.
Yeah.
It was like really weird.
I feel like it's awkward a little bit.
Yeah, it was. And then it just was so easy from here on out. It was kind of crazy. Just like,
I really like that we went to Phuket together, and it's really fun.
Yep, in Phuket we celebrated Songkron together in Patong. We had a lot of good food there. Saw a ping pong show. Do not recommend. I mean, okay. I recommend if it's your first time and you've never seen it before, but be prepared to waste your money. What else did we do in Phuket? Island hopping, Phi Island. We had a really cool island tour. What are we doing?
I don't know.
We're just taking pictures out here in Thailand at Phuket by the, where are we? Phi Rock? Camel Rock. With my T-Rock.
Oh my god, my T-Rock.
Yep. What do you think?
I like it.
Alright.
The weather is very good.
I'm gonna get sunburned. Thailand and Phuket, enjoying the lovely weather and the nice warm water. I'm from Portland, so this is the ocean is awesome out here. Here I go. I'm leaving. Bye.
Can't come back.
I'm not coming back. Bye.
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
It's about just after 4 or something like that, and nice breeze out here. The waves are coming in, nice and warm, not too warm, and it's beautiful. What do you think of the island tour?
It's pretty good. I like everything. Like I like that we go to snorkeling and we go to Maya Bay and Libe Lagoon. And it's pretty good and the service is quite okay.
The what?
The service.
The service? Yeah, it was pretty good.
Yeah.
The lunch could have been better. I was.
You got spicy curry.
I got spicy curry. What else? Did you see any cool fish while you were snorkeling?
Yeah.
Which one?
I saw Nemo.
Nemo?
No. I saw like a kind of like I don't know how to say.
A parrotfish?
Yeah, kind of like that.
I saw parrotfish, angelfish. I saw there's a bunch of sea urchins. That was kind of cool. There's a bunch of coral, clownfish. Nothing too crazy. Didn't get lucky enough to see anything like wild, but the fish that were there were pretty cool. And my GoPro died right before snorkeling, so that's unfortunate. I couldn't film that. Yeah, I think we're just gonna enjoy the rest of our day, call it for the filming, and celebrate Songkran tonight.
Yeah.
Thai New Year's. Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year.
Are you gonna be my New Year's or my Thai New Year's kiss?
Okay.
Okay. Aww.
Happy Songkran.
Happy Songkran.
Most of Thai people, they are Buddhists, so they pay respect to the Buddha. So like here, people like build the Buddha, the big Buddha, because they believe in Buddhism. It's just like to pay the respect and wish for the good luck in life, something like that. So for me, it depends, but normally I pray at my house almost like every night, if possible. But sometimes just like if we have like a special day, like we go to the temples and play. People believe that if you play or wish anything, it's really become true.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, but you have to do good things too.
Oh, you have to do good things?
Yeah.
So, like what?
Like you have to be good people.
Okay. What if you're not?
No, so your wish is not gonna come true.
Oh.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That'll be good.
Yeah.
We are up here at the Big Buddha Temple here in Phuket, and hillside with a lovely view down below of the many different islands here in Phuket and a lot of sightseeing below. So I think we are going to head on out of here and find ourselves the next adventure. Alright, this morning we are in Old Town in Phuket, and I'm just getting some breakfast to start my day. And I think we're gonna go look at Old Town a little bit more and find some ice cream and look at the old architecture here. And this is my breakfast: waffles, jam, and Nutella. Not super traditional, but it's gonna be good nonetheless.
We are at One Chan restaurant.
What's it mean?
It's a main Monday restaurant.
Monday restaurant? Is that good?
Yeah, it's a popular restaurant in Phuket.
Is it Thai?
It's a Thai restaurant.
It's a very hot day out. I'm at One Chun, which means Monday, as you know, and I'm gonna order some dank Thai food. Huh. Yeah, that's good. It's sweet, but nutty.
It's a stirred crab with lemons.
Alright, I'm gonna try the crab with lemongrass sauce.
How is it?
Good. Time to eat.
Deep fried fish with fish sauce.
Good. So we got some ice cream. I've got the jasmine Earl Grey tea and then the Thai tea here. And Kwong's got chocolate. Alright. Jasmine tea is pretty good. Very creamy. I'll try it. Next is the Thai tea.
How is it?
Not much flavor in that one for me.
Can I try? I can feel the taste.
No, it's a thumbs up on the jasmine Earl Grey, thumbs down on the Thai tea.
Try chocolate.
Chocolate time. Very rich chocolate, but it's like light at the same time, kind of. All right, that's a wrap on Old Town Phuket. It's hot. Forgot the sunscreen. It's time to drive home. Maybe have another ice cream.